I have not met her in person. She has not met me in person. And actually, I borrow money social media and capital and social media. I am and as it stands, I don't want us to be dragging this matter. Okay, Jinchak. Okay, Jinchak.
Hello?
The fact remains that we are all brothers, and Oga Jpac is our sister. Eyotago. Only mom personally knows the kind of life I am living. Jpac is my brother. Mom will make Oga Jpac way to for Jpac.
Thank you, sir.
They have their differences. They have their misunderstanding. It's left for two of them. They are two adults. It's left for two of them to resolve their matter within themselves. But bringing different people that she has not met into this matter, despite the problem you have with Jpac, you understand. Despite misunderstanding between her and Jpac, it's not wise at all. It's not wise. But I would just advise her as a sister, as our own person, that she should please not let that part, because it's not a good thing for her. Onye buru nwanne ya bụrụkwa n'odogo. Eyotago. Na-anụ ọgwụ n'ọgwụ gbuo nwanne igbuo nwanne gị n'ụzọ ịnata n'ụlọ ya bụrụ nwanne gị. No matter how I swear to someone outside, what holds us together still holds us together. So I'm over na bamba na Facebook. I'm alone over us. I'm one the Igbo na-ege okwu a. Ndị Hausa na-ege, ndị Yoruba na-ege. The whole world is watching me. So it's not best for us to watch our dirty linen outside. I've been watching a lot of comments and other people. I don't hold anybody. Anybody is entitled to his or her opinion. For the fact that a lot of people who knows me know I'm about mad and wine. I don't do that. Jpac is my brand ambassador. And the more money wine for once. I have never done that. We have never money wine. You know, so where all these things are coming from is where I don't know. But because okay, Jpac, I pray that she'll be listening to this live video and know that Siman Glover Abromo war. Also, but I am a woman. I'm a outside. One nigga won't come back to the park. There are better ways to resolve this matter. And you a mother, you a sister. Because working with the all you can wine timber. I am at one of buying, I am working on a boss. I am on Southwest. No buying, so the one day, I is in here line. Because I pray that I will meet Oga Jpac one-on-one. I've been watching her right from onset. I've never spoken to her. I don't know her. You understand? But all she has been beating her chest is that this is what Jpac told her. But even if at that, she shouldn't bring this matter. Because of the sake of the names of people that are involved in it, bring it online. You understand? I've been into real estate for 15 years. I've done it back to back. By the grace of Almighty God, and when we follow my Jpac on social media, this is my first time. Madi Rafa na social media. But I just want to tie it because I don't want it to escalate. Governor Ezioku, I'm your fan, and I've been following you, and with the wisdom God has given to you, I know this matter can be resolved. You understand?
Thank you, sir.
Let peace reign. Because more and make people more wounds, and I need the enemy the hand to dig more into the secret of Jpac that doesn't want to be out there. So please, because I need a little time on that long.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. My boss. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Man, publicly. I'm not a moderator. Go moderator. Moderator, I will radio caster. They take a call. Can see man publicly. Thank you very much for your understanding. Hey, man, Unwe estate gina mari abo undiru na mma and a build trust they build. Once you build trust, you know so kwa ekwe nsuputa when you mere fa agasna as and it took me years to build trust. And building trust requires some trials, some trials and temptation along the line. Ese te trial nke jump, ese te trial nke jump. Ko mo ga bo jump ru ama yes no onye adigo qualified. Listen to me. I want to thank my boss, Seaman Global. In fact, I will not be now before we go no because you on your brothers quite comment as long as my boss put publicly, only was Jpac, I want to clear you and clear myself. I know he has a Jpac members, yes, a Jpac in the wood. No one here Jpac here, mass no way, now if we are more money borga. Yeah, I really thank Seaman Global. I'm a blue grabber there. They got the cage nature that wow. Also forgot to go for the Majidi. I know you're a man of wisdom and a man of distinguish for you to understand that this is a setup to bring katakata. And I believe any more cook again and a cook the world will have already know that they have a plan and set up. I'm not a man of war. Even Seaman, you're on some I should not go on live. When I say they had to go much. Yeah, I do go much. If I keep calm, I don't want to say much. Summarize here. Thank you very much,
all right, everyone. At the same time, I want to tell you people what will happen. I want to tell you people what will happen. My name is Governor Ezioku. And some people from my village call me Olilanyandimo. I want to tell you what will happen.